Hello friends, welcome back with another video. In this video I am going to start with quick revision of the pathology part 2. So let's get started. Polyarthritis nodosa is preceded by a history of bronchial asthma. Weight of normal adult adrenal gland is about 5 gram. Mesothelioma is mostly malignant. Plasma cells are increased in rheumatoid arthritis. Massive proteinuria is most likely to occur in constrictive pericarditis. Causes of broth in the liver are sinuses. Commonest variety of acute inflammation is cathedral inflammation. Soft granuloma is typically found in tuberculosis. Confirmation of myelofibrosis is by bone marrow biopsy. Large giant cells are found in neonatal hepatitis. Greater risk of carcinoma of stomach is associated with intestinal metaplasia. Common primary tumor of heart is myxoma. Thyroglossal cyst may occasionally give rise to papillary carcinoma. Next one. Adenomyomas of gallbladder are always located in fundus. Primary tumor of vein are commonest in inferior vena cava. Dangerous complication in the second week of massive myocardial infarction is the rupture of the heart. Tylectomy literally means excision of a lump. Tuberous xanthomas in tendon are caused by hypercholesterolemia. Glioblastoma site cerebrum of adult, brain stem of child and spinal cord of the adult. Carcinosarcoma may arises in uterus. Warthin-Finkeldy giant cell are seen in measles. Nuclei of Langerhans giant cells are arranged around the periphery. Hofbauer cells are associated with erythroblastosis fetalis. Cell most sensitive to ischemia is cortical neuron. Sex can be determined by epithelial cell. Sputum from an asthma patient show numerous eosinophils and Charcot crystal. Rewarmed blood may kept prior to use for 30 meter. Hess test is done into excess capillary fragility. Most usual mode of death in cancer patient is infection. Maximum deposit of lipofuscin seen in severe malnutrition. Oncocytes are seen in pituitary thyroid pancreas. Finding of multiple myeloma in kidney are tubular cast, amyloidosis, renal tubular necrosis, hyperuricemia. Best indication of testicular biopsy, azoospermia. Congo red with amyloid produce brilliant pink color. Edema is caused by fall in plasma protein below 50%. Ocular basement membrane is stained by alkane blue. Bilateral contracted scarred kidney is seen in chronic pyelonephritis. Hemodialysis associated amyloid is deposited in knee joint. Commonest histological type of cancer test is seminoma. Red infection is seen in small intestine. Cells most sensitive to hypoxia are neurons. And Chidiac-Higashi syndrome is due to defective phagocytosis. Soft granuloma is typically found in tuberculosis. Largest number of bone marrow cells are metamyelocytes. Syphilis affect most commonly ascending aorta. Marker of ovarian tumor is CA125. Next one, flame cells are seen in osteosarcoma. Calcification of necrotic tissue called dystrophic calcification. Phagocytic cells are macrophage. Escoph cells are neutrophils. Most common germ cell tumor teratoma. Glucose is indispensable source of energy for erythrocytes. Hyperglycemia of 2-week-old investigation of choice. Glycosylated hemoglobin. Most common tumor due to radiation arises from breast. Most common lung malformation, vascular anomalies. Earliest response to iron therapy is reticulocytes. Single plague with satellite lesions is lepromatous leprosy. Bronchogenic cysts occur commonly in carina. In brain, phagocytosis is done by microglia. Sequestered lobe of lungs is commonly supplied by descending aorta. Lines of Jans is seen in coralline thrombus. FNAC is useful in tumor of thyroiditis, papillary carcinoma, and anaplastic carcinoma. Chorionic villus sampling is useful in Tay-Sachs disease, beta thalassemia or Down syndrome. Pale infarct is not seen in lungs. Pale infarct is seen in heart, spleen, liver. Damage to nervous tissue is repaired by neuroglia. Most common structure, red cell defect without HB abnormalities, parocytosis. Philia bitten kidney is seen in malignant hypertension, pan-infective endocarditis. Next one, predisposing factor to gallstone is oral contraceptive pill, inflammatory bowel disease, IB, hyper. Next one, predisposing factor to gallstones is OCP, oral contraceptive pills, IVD, inflammatory bowel disease, and IB, hyperalimentation. Increased ESR is seen in multiple myeloma. Most common site of MI, anterior wall of left ventricle. Gallstone formation is predisposed by low lecithin to low cholesterol ratio. DIC is seen with cancer pancreas, leukemia, snake bite. In polymyositis, ocular muscles is not affected. Predisposed to develop osteosarcoma is Paget disease of bone. Barrett esophagus not reversed by medical therapy. Commonest route of infection in acute pyogenic abscesses of liver is hematogenous. Most common type of cell death due to sudden occlusions of blood supply, coagulation, necrosis, acanthosis nigrans can occur due to keratinization of the epidermal cells. Angelman's disease is congenital defect of platelets. Apple jelly nodule is in nasal septum is seen in lupus vulgaris. Lacunar cells are found in which type of Hodgkin's? Nodular sclerosis. Cytokeratin is a marker for carcinoma. Most sensitive test for SLE is ANA. Grossly pigmented liver is seen in Dubin-Johnson syndrome. Lipid casts are seen in nephrotic syndrome. Chiroprecipitate is rich in factor 8. Emphysema pathologically involved beyond the terminal bronchiole. Gingival biopsy is useful in diagnosis of amyloidosis. Coagulative necrosis is seen with gangrene. Ineffective endocarditis in drug abuse commonly affect tricuspid valve. Chronic ITP is due to antibody production against platelet. Carcinoembryonic antigen is elevated in alcohol cirrhosis, cancer of the colon, ulcerative colitis. Diagnostic features of rheumatic heart disease in heart, Escoff nodules in myocardium. Severe MS is associated with right ventricular hypertrophy. Most diagnostic special stain for amyloid, Congo red in polarized light. Bilateral hilar lymphadenopathy with non-caseous granuloma suggestive of sarcoidosis. Hyaline in hyaline membrane diseases, fibrin. Commonest malformation and a baby born to diabetic mother, congenital heart disease. Anti-basement membrane bodies are seen in good pastures. Thank you.